Today I'm going to teach you how to use Klaviyo saved blocks and organize them. This feature is incredibly useful if you're looking to streamline your email marketing workflow by saving frequently used content blocks and reusing them across multiple templates. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's start by heading over to klaviyo.com and logging into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready so you can access your dashboard quickly. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see various menu options. On the left side, click on Content. This section houses all your email templates, saved blocks, and other content-related tools. From there, click on Templates to view all the email templates you've created or are currently working with. This is where you'll manage the structure and design of your email campaigns. Now, select a template where you want to save specific blocks. Click on the template to open it, then click Edit Template. This will take you into the template editor where you can modify and customize your email layout. The editing interface is where you'll be doing most of the work for creating and saving your blocks. To save a block, simply click on the block you want to save, then look for the star icon beside it. Clicking the star icon is what tells Klaviyo that you want to turn this particular block into reusable content. After clicking the star, you'll be prompted to input a universal content name. Choose a name that clearly describes what the block is so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named it, click Create. Your block is now saved and ready to be used in other templates. Now let's talk about how to use your saved blocks. On the left side of the template editor, click on Universal. This will display all the saved blocks you've created. You'll see them listed in an organized way, making it easy to find what you need. To use any of these blocks, simply drag it from the Universal section into your email template. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly efficient to build emails quickly using your pre-designed content. Now that you know how to create and use saved blocks, let's cover how to organize them. Go back to the Klaviyo dashboard by exiting the template editor. Once you're back on the main dashboard, look at the left side panel again and under Content, click Universal Content. This section is your central hub for managing all your saved blocks. Here you can see all the saved blocks you've created over time. To organize or manage any of them, click the three dots next to a saved block. This will open a menu with several options. You can click Edit to make changes to the block's content, Rename to give it a more accurate or descriptive name, or Clone to duplicate it if you want to create a variation. There's also Content Usage, which shows you where this block is currently being used across your templates, Preview to see what it looks like before using it, and Delete if you no longer need it. These options give you full control over your saved content library. And that's it. You've now learned how to save blocks in Klaviyo, use them across multiple templates, and organize them efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.